just wanted to do a quick video. I came across something I thought some of you guys might like, and it is a pair. Here's the other one, but it's a pair of sequential LED taillight modules. I found them on Amazon. They were like 20 bucks, $21 I think, is what it was. And I mean, I've been playing around with it, and I mean, I can't really complain. I'll show you guys what it does here, but I know you guys think this is a big mess going on, but all you really have to do is follow the wiring diagram that they show you, and I'll put it up on the screen here. But as long as you follow the wiring diagram that they give you, and then their diagram does show the correct colors from their modules, you'll be fine. It does come with a pigtail here, but they don't give you the female end, so I ended up just cutting mine and then just going straight to the wires on some of them. So this is just to try it out and just to show you guys how it works. But essentially what I did here is, this is my taillight for my 1971 Ford Maverick. It's a spare one I had. I bought an extra set because the original ones that were on the car were kind of, you know, this stuff like won't come out. You know, the actual frame is pretty beat up, so that's why I bought an extra pair for it. So this is my spare set I'm going to be messing around with. I ended up just getting a piece of acrylic just so I could tape the LED strips to it, and these LED strips I just had laying around. They are red. You can tell they're old just because the white always fades on these. They get like, it's kind of like brownish almost, but they still work fine. But like I said, ignore the huge mess. Just go off of the wiring diagram, and like I said, I put it on the screen earlier, and I'll even put the description of the pair of modules from Amazon in the I'll put the link in the description for that. But yeah, so my whole idea is I want to use one section for taillights, because on older cars you had one bulb and it was just a dual filament, so that you can use it for turn signal and braking. So I want to divide those two, and essentially this is just a quick test that I did. I'll do it here first so you can see it. So first I'm going to put my green to positive. This is just a 12-volt battery, an extra one I have in the garage. I'm just going to go ahead and connect that. So there you see, it looks a little distorted there, but yeah, so you just have two straight strips. And like I said, this is just for an example. I'm not going to keep this layout. And when you go ahead and connect, this will simulate your turn signal. Now I have to keep removing the connection and adding it, because that is how your turn signal will work. Oh, sorry. And there you go. It's good. Got the lights off, so it looks a little better. All right, so there is the taillights. Looks a little distorted on the camera, but in person, it's pretty good. Light isn't diffused as bad. I can see the strips. I can't actually see the individual dots like you would normally see on an LED strip, but in person it doesn't look bad. I wish it looked better on camera so you guys can really look at it, but that will simulate the turn signal. Now, the turn signal is not as bright just because I only have one small strip for each point. You can always add more. You can even go with a different style LED, which I have this left over from when I ordered. There was some LED kit, to adapt a 194 bulb to, different kinds, and this one came with like some adhesive on the back. That might be something I can replace with, just because it's a little wider, be able to see it a little easier. But yeah, that's essentially a nice easy way for you to make an LED sequential taillight setup. I'm gonna keep messing with it. See how it comes out, but for the most part, I can't really complain about it. I mean, it was 20 bucks on Amazon for the pair. You know, you wired it directly. So I'm gonna mess around with it. You know, I just thought you guys would like to see that in case you guys got some ideas, you know, flowing through your heads, something that you want to do to your car. On mine, the challenge I will have to go through is these taillights do have gaskets in between, so it's looks like it's this one behind here. No, I lied. It's the lens goes straight to there. Looks like this gasket behind here, and then after that I got another gasket, and then this frame. So essentially I will have to mess around with these layers to make sure I can fit my LEDs nicely behind here so that I could show through. But like I said, just wanted to show you guys this module I came across, and like I said, for 21 bucks, you know, can't complain. You know, it's doing what it's supposed to, and does come in a pair. Like I said, follow the wiring diagram that they show you. The link to the part will be in the description. I got it on Amazon, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys got any other ideas or any other modules, or you know, anything else you guys have came across that worked for you, let me know. I mean, I'm open to ideas. This is just the first one that I came across. I saw it was 21 bucks and decided that, you know what, for $21 you can't go wrong. All right, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe.